Hi students, welcome again to our maths class. Today we are going to learn about using brackets, how to expanding the brackets and Roman numerals. So in the previous classes we have learned how to estimate, that means rounding off to nearest 10, nearest 100, nearest 1000, estimation, how we estimated the numbers. So that one you have learned in the previous class. Okay, today you are learning about using brackets and expanding brackets and Roman numerals. Okay, why we are using these brackets? What is the use of these brackets? So if you use these brackets, we can avoid the confusion. Okay, so it avoids the confusion. That's why we are using these brackets. Like if the problem is lengthy, so how can you solve that? So it will give somewhat confusion. So that's why if you use the brackets, it will reduce the confusion. Right. Okay. So for example, see in our textbook, see there page number 24. Page number 24. So try this problem. So one problem I explained. Remind me how to try. Right. First one, see, write the expressions for each of the following using brackets. Right. The expressions for each of the following using the brackets. Using brackets, we have to write the expression. So what is the given statement here? 4 multiplied by the sum of 9 and 2. What is that? 4, that is 4 multiplied by the sum of 9 and 2. So this is the given statement. We have to write the expression. See here 4 multiplied 4. The letter 4 is 4 digit and multiplied means, so which you sign for using multiplication? Into. Is it right? Right. Okay. 4 multiplied by which? The sum of 9 and 2. Sum means addition. Okay now? The sum of 9 and 2. Sum of 9 and 2 means 9 plus 2. Yes? So if you keep that one inside the bracket, it gives the 4 multiplied by the sum of 9 and 2. Is it clear? So this one we can directly solve. How can you solve? First of all, you have to clear that bracket 12. So that is sum of the 9 and 2 is 7. 11 into 44. So like that we can calculate any value easily. Okay now? We can find any value easily. So that is the use of brackets. So we can avoid the confusion by using the brackets. This is the use of the brackets. Not only that, see here, divide the difference of 18 and 6 by 4. How to write this one? Divide the difference of 18 and 6 by 4. So what is the given statement here? Divide the difference. Divide. Okay. Divide the difference of 18 and 6. Difference of 18 and 6 by 4. By 4. So that means here divide means, so division symbol, difference means nothing but subtraction. Okay na? Sum means addition. Okay, difference means subtraction. You have to write for this statement expression. How we write this one? divide the difference of. So first of all we have to write here difference of 18 and 6 means 18 minus 6. Keep that one inside the bracket. 18 minus 6 by 4. Divide. So this value is by 4. The difference of 18 minus 6. So is equal to 18 minus 6 is equal to 12. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. So that is the expression for this statement. So like that 45 divided by 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. See here the third statement 45 divided by 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. See here 45 divided by 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. Here 3 operations given. See divided. Yes, divided means you have to use division symbol. And 3 times, not 1 time, not 2 times, 3 times. So 1 time means 1. Okay, 2 times means into 2. 3 times means into 3, like that. So here 45 divided by 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. 3 times the sum of 3 and 2. See here 45 is divided by 3 times of the sum of 3 and 2. 3 and 2. See here 45 divided by, first inside the value you have to calculate 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. 5 3 is 15. Then 45 divided by 15 is equal to 3. So like that you have to write from statement to expression. So by using this bracket we can calculate any value easily. Yes, it avoids the confusion. So that is the use of brackets. And how to write the expanding brackets, how to calculate the value. See here, suppose 7 into 109 is there. Okay, so we know that the actual multiplication, so 9 sevens are 63. Okay, 0 sevens are 0. So like that we can calculate. But we are expanding the brackets. How to expand this one? So we can expand this one into 7 into, it is 100. So you have to take the 100 and 100 after how many numbers more than 9. So then if you take 100 plus 9, we can expand this one like this also. Suppose 1 not 2 is there. How to write this one? 100 plus 2. 101. You can write it as 100 plus 1. If you write like this, so you can easily to calculate this one. So that's why we can multiply by 7. So inside the values. So that is 7 into 100. 7 into 100 plus 7 into 9. 7 into 100 plus 7 into 9. So after, see 7 into 100, 700 sir, 700 plus 7 9 sir, 7 9 63. Now do the addition, 700 plus 63 is equal to 763. We can expand the values like this also. This is the expanding of the brackets. And come to the third topic, that is Roman numerals. So these all you learned in the previous class. In the 5th class you learned so what is the, how many symbols are used in the Romans, who used these Roman numerals. Roman numerals are used by Romans. Okay, so you have learned the symbols in the Roman numerals are I, okay, B, X, L, C, D, M. So you know very well about these symbols. Okay, Roman numerals. Okay, right. So what is the value for I? So what is the value for I? 1. So 2. So that means I we can write here 2 times. Yes. So 2 times we can write it as. So yes or no? Yes. So if you want to write the 3, how can you write? 3 times. The 3 times so I is repeated. And 4 we can write it as I V. Okay. So first of all I am writing here. Look here. After that I explain that why we used this one like this. For 6 we can write it as Roman 6 VI, and next for 7 VII, that is 7, for 8 and it is for 9 and P is for 10. So after that we can write for 20. Okay. So for 30 how can we write here? So 3 times for 40. So 40 we can write it as XL. XL is the 40 and 50 for L and 60 for LX, 70 for LXX, 80 for LXX6, for 90 XC. XC. For 100 the value is C. C for 100. Okay. So here some rules are there. Some rules are there. When using the Roman numerals, some rules are there. Here you have to remember B and D are never repeated. Never repeated. This is the first condition. Here you have to remember. And the second one is the C can be repeated at least 3 times. So the letter C. C is for 100. That one we can write 3 times. So what is the condition? C can be repeated at the most 3 times. C can be repeated at the most 3 times. And third condition is whenever you are finding the any value, the smaller symbol can be right from where? So the smaller symbol we can write on the smaller symbol can be subtracted from a bigger number. That one we have to write the left side of the bigger symbol. So that is the main condition. That one also you write. The smaller symbol, a smaller symbol can be smaller symbol can be subtracted from bigger symbol at the most one time. These are the 3 conditions you have to remember. B and D. These Roman numerals are never repeated. Okay, now? And C can be repeated at the most 3 times, not more than 3. Okay, 3 times only the C can be repeated. And the third one, the smaller symbol can be subtracted from the larger symbol. So let us see some examples I will give here. How can we say that here? So for example, see here the letter, okay, so here 4 is there, yes, 4. The smaller symbol, it is I is the smaller symbol comparing to V. V letter is for 5. So how can we written here 4? So using this kind, a smaller symbol can be subtracted from the bigger symbol. So here the I and I subtracted from, this I can be subtracted from V and where, if see here X, I can be subtracted from V and X. So that condition also you have to remember. So here I am writing that one. Some more conditions here. The I can be, I is subtracted subtracted from V and X only. V and X only. And here see the X value. What about the X here? X is subtracted from L and C. L and C. X is subtracted from L and C. X is subtracted from L and C only. So these are the rules you have to remember while writing the Roman numerals. And see which we can write one Roman numeral. So we can say that the letter can be repeated how many times? At most the 3 times. So see here I repeated 3 times. More than that is there? No. Okay, we can write any letter. Only the 3 times. Right. Okay, for example, so we can say that. So these Roman numerals we have to keep in your mind now. So what is the value for Roman numeral C? C value is what? C value is 100. So you have to keep in your mind the symbols actually I am writing here. So I, B, X, C, D and here L, C, D and M. Okay. So the value of I is 1, B 5, X is 10, L is 50, C for 100, D is and M is 1000. We can use scale letter also for 1000. Okay, right. We have to write some examples. Write in Roman numerals. The first one is 105 and the second one is 213. How we write this one? Examples I am explaining here. Write in Roman numerals. So here I given the 105 and 213. We have to write this symbols. We have to represent this one in the Roman symbols. 105, 105. Okay, so 100. How can we expand this one? Already explained to you how to expand brackets using expanding brackets. 105, 105. So we can write it as 100 plus 5. Okay, so we know that 100 Roman numeral. So Roman symbol is here C. Very good. For 5 V. For 5 V. Very good. Similarly, for second one 213. 213. 213. So how can we write this one? How to expand this one? So see here 3 place value is ones. 1 place value is 10 and 2 place value is hundreds. That means we can expand this one 200 plus 1 place value is 10, that is 10 plus 3 place value is 1's place. 200 plus 10 plus 3, 213. So 200. So 100 we can write 1 C. So 200 means how many C's we can write? 2 C's. C can be repeated at most 3 times. Very good. So C for 10 X 3. 3 means for 1 I. So we can write 3 I's. The symbol can be repeated 3 times, not more than 3 times. So what is the Roman numeral for 230? CCXIII. Like that we can write. Not only that, using the Roman numerals to how to write that one in the Hindu-Arabic system, Hindu-Arabic numerals. And the second example, see here, write in Hindu-Arabic numerals. Hindu-Arabic numerals. So first problem, see here, X C V I, and the second one is C X X V. See here, first problem X C V I. So what is the Roman Hindu Arabic numeral for X? X value is 10. Very good. So we can write this one. We can expand also. Okay, we can expand this one also. First of all, see here X. Before writing the Hindu Arabic numerals, we have to check here XC given. That means a smaller symbol can be subtracted from the larger symbol. So what is that XC? C value is actually 100. Okay, X is came before that. That means this value is equal to X value is equal to 90. Very good. 90 plus VII, this value is equal to 8. 90 plus 8, 98. Okay, and come to the second one, CXXXV. So C value is 100. 100 after here XXX, smaller value came. That means we have to add. Whenever the from bigger symbol before smaller means we have to subtract. So bigger symbol after smaller symbol came means we have to add that one. C came. What is the value for C? That is the 100. And 3x came. So 3x means 30 plus V value is 5. 100 plus 30, 130 plus 5 is equal to 135. What is that? 135. Okay, children, these are the Roman numerals. How to write Hindu Arabic to Roman numerals, Roman numeral to Hindu Arabic. In this class, you have learned how to using the brackets, how to expanding the brackets and Roman numerals. Okay, so today I am giving to you some example problem. This one you have to do homework. Okay, some problems I am giving to you homework. So write this one in Hindu numerals. So write in Hindu numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals. So first problem is 346, 400, 479, and the second question is CXLI, CCLIV, and CDXXIX. So this one we have to write in Roman numerals and Hindu Arabic numerals. Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, children. So today this is your homework. Okay, you have to once again go through the starting topic to ending. So today we have completed the first chapter. So once again we have to read the textbook. So which topic we have learned from the starting to till now. Okay, children. So you have to complete these all problems and post through the WhatsApp.